eminent guest speaker, participants, and all other present over here. Today we have gathered here to participate in a 6-day faculty development program on sustainability and innovation in energy engineering and sensor technology, proposed by AICTE ATAL and organized by the Department of Electrical Engineering, Dr. BCREC Engineering College, Durgapur. On behalf of Electrical Engineering Department of Dr. BCREC Engineering College, I welcome you all to the inaugural part of 6-day session from 15th January to 20th January 2024. Today, as guest speaker, we have with us Dr. Abhinandan De, Associate Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIST Shivpur, and Dr. Chandan Kumar Chanda Sir, Hack Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIST Shivpur, and Abhinandan De Sir with a flower bouquet. Program Coordinator Dr. Professor Sumit Banerjee Sir, respected Head HOD Sir Sushanta Datta, and our respected Principal Sir and all the delegates, with a song of Professor Dola Ma'am.
Respected Principal Sir, respected Dr. C.K. Chandra Sir, respected Dr. Abhinandan De Sir, respected HOD, and my dear colleagues and participants. I am Dr. Sumit Banerjee, Professor in this Department of Electrical Engineering of Dr. BCREC Engineering College, Durgapur, and coordinator of this AICTE ATAL-FDP on sustainability and innovation in energy engineering and sensor technology. It is my immense pleasure to welcome you all to this FDP that will be held for the first time in fully offline mode from 15th to 20th January 2024. Out of 204 ATAL-FDP proposals submitted under electrical engineering category from all over India for the academic year 2023-24, only 25 proposals were approved by AICTE. So the acceptance rate of the FDP proposals under this category was only 12.25%. In West Bengal, Dr. BCREC Engineering College is one of only 3 private engineering institutes to have received approval from AICTE for conducting the ATAL-FDP for 2023-24. 40 participants have registered for our FDP. The FDP is free of cost for all participants. Our institute has also provided free accommodation for participants who requested on the same. The 10 resource persons for our FDP belong to eminent institutes like IIT Kharagpur, IIT ISM Dhanbad, Jadavpur University, IIST Sipur, NIT Jamshedpur and NIT Durgapur, as well as from the industry. The outcomes of the FDP are: number 1, comprehend state-of-the-art developments in energy engineering. Number 2, cognize with renewable energy technologies, energy saving and management techniques, energy policy framework, smart grid integration and new green technology options. Number 3, acquire research skills related to power harvesting and sensor fabrication and techniques for sensor data interpretation. Once again, I welcome you all and hope that you will have an enriching experience. Thank you.
Respected eminent speakers, Professor Dr. Chandan Kumar Chana, Professor IIST Sipur, respected Professor Abhinandan De, Associate Professor of IIST Sipur, respected Professor S. Sanjoy Kumar Pawar, Principal of BCREC, Senior Professor and participants. It is give us immense pleasure to welcome all of you this morning to the faculty development program on sustainability innovation in the engineering, energy engineering and sensor technology. It is organized by our electrical engineering department of BCREC Engineering College. Really, this is the first of all I will thank our coordinator. Coordinator already delivered. So these types of faculty development program is very much tough for achieving from the government, because our coordinator already told all over India more than 1,000 colleges they are applied. I heard just a few minutes ago NIT Allahabad, one professor, he also applied. Many NIT, IIT, whereas our BCREC has got this opportunity. So first of all, I will again thanks to our coordinator and co-coordinator. Next, I am saying why it is required. Because you know the technology gradually changes rapidly. Actually, in this hall, we are all faculty, engineering college, and our main aim, we have to produce ready students, industry ready students. And we know the technology as an industry rapidly changes, whereas we are not changes. We have not updated our syllabus. Our syllabus changes after 4 or 5 years later. Whereas we have been seeing industry lot of changes. So how to we are ready our students? It is only possible if all the faculty, if we are involved in the research and industrial project. Then we understand where the industry is needed. And if we know everything, then we can add-on course, additional courses where we can incorporate all those things and ultimately we can ready our students. So now in BCREC Engineering College surrounding there is a lot of colleges are there, NIT, IIT, IIST Sipur, Jadavpur, where the lot of eminent speakers are there. They are totally involved in industrial project as well as research. If we have link with them in this FDP, in these types of FDP, then they are delivered their knowledge and we can link with them and we can start our add-on course as well as we can start our research. We know nowadays private engineering college, many faculty they are doing research, but now it is not reached to 100%, whereas we have been seeing 30 to 40% faculty they are doing research, whereas IIST or Jadavpur, they are 100% faculty they are doing the research and they are doing the project works. So this is the platform where we can hold their hand, we take their contact numbers, emails, and if we start the project with them, then we can reach our knowledge. So, and because to all the faculty, those who are participants here, they are just searching which portion are you interested, because you know our title of the project. This is the huge spectrum where energy systems are there, sensor technology are there, different parts are there, already our coordinator explained. So which ones are you interested? You can talk these persons, because in this FDP there we have a 10 number eminent speakers are there, which has vast knowledge, experience, and we have got a lot of knowledge from them. So I request to all FDP, all the participants, you are just does not think that we are coming here for our certificate. We have to think, we have to gather the knowledge from that FDP. Thank you once again. Welcomes once again, and thank you all.
Principal sir to say his valuable observation about this FDP.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Today's eminent speakers for the faculty development program, Professor Abhinandan Day from Department of Electrical Engineering, IIC Shivpur, Professor Chandan Kumar Chanda, again from Department of Electrical Engineering, IIC Shivpur, Head of the Department, Professor Sushant Datta, Coordinator of FDP, Professor Smith Banerjee, faculties of BCREC and faculties of other institutes who are participating in this FDP. The title of the FDP itself is one of the the topic that has been discussed today specifically in the domain of electrical engineering. Sustainability and innovations in electrical engineering sensors technology. Again, first of all, I congratulate the team, HOD and coordinator, Professor Smith Banerjee, for writing a good proposal so that it has been accepted by AICTE, and that's a very great achievement for us. But more than that, again, as things or the topic itself is being said, only conducting FDP might not be sufficient, but carrying forward the thought process, the discussions, the research activities, the topics, and assigning this to ourselves, to our own people and students, and collaborating with the people who are coming for this FDP. That is important for us. As far as sensor technologies, as I have been working into a digital transformation, most of the things that is being sought from the electrical engineering again is the efficiency. Efficiency in terms of generation, efficiency in terms of transmission, efficiency in terms of optimization, power, etc. and so on. Almost all domain, for example, though I am from telecom domain, always the efficiency of a power matters a lot for us, and the design concept comes into picture. And for this, the most important role played by the technology is again the sensor technology. The effective which the data is being sensed, the data is being analyzed, the corrective actions are being taken, and how real-time operation this happens. That matters a lot and so on. In addition with that, specifically as we have been pushing into, almost all world is being pushing into, it is a matter of time for all of us now again to think in all these areas, how do I include the artificial intelligence and so on. please remember again, the more delay we creating entering into this area, more loss will be for us and so on. From the smart grid point of view, let's say again, I was a part of IEEE Bombay section. I think sir might be knowing again Professor Surya Narayana Dola. His journal transaction in IEEE was the best 5 research transaction. In fact, as I being an ExCom member of a previous IEEE Bombay section, I received a message that his publication with his student was the top 5 publication in the world of IEEE transactions. So it is possible, it's not the case that it's not possible in the area of smart grid learning. So these things are possible if we relate and track and aim towards the latest problems, innovative problems in these areas, and if we can publish certain things into these areas with the latest available technology, that would create a difference amongst ourselves and so on. Again, the hot area, which I think last year when we have been doing a project in with the British Council, the sustainability area, which is more concern for almost all people here, from the generation point of view, from the optimization point of view, from the utilization point of view, how we can ensure the SDG goals of the United Nations are being taken care of, specifically from the climate change point of view, environmental issues point of view. And as we are staying in the area where this is a matter of concern for almost all, as I have been observing whenever we specifically travel either to Asansol side or to the Calcutta side, the kind of generations, the kind of maybe environmental issues that we see, probably if we can look into those areas, again using the technologies, various parts, that would really be a great contribution to ourselves here as well as to the people here, as well as again to the world as well. And in addition with this, when looking towards such kind of problems, if we can look what other people are doing in India, outside India, and how efficiently we can team up with them. As many times we have been looking into, one of the things is at the outside world probably the word or the people or the time of students and faculties might not be sufficient there. But we have a very infinite people here, lot many people are working into these areas, we can include our students. So if those issues and challenges and problems are effectively, precisely distributed amongst ourselves, amongst the faculties and students, I think a successful contribution towards the research will surely come into picture and so on. And once these reflections are there in the transactions amongst the faculties, of course the industry will start looking towards us also. Last but not least, the thing is, do not have yourself engaged into a boundary of an electrical domain. As we have been repeating, the areas are porous now. In what are the problem you need to solve, what are the problem you need to dig into. There is always a connections between computer science, electronics engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering. Always take and help, have a peer member from the respective department, so that the effective solutions are coming into picture, because you cannot be expert of all the things and so on. You can be an expert of one thing, but you should be able to tap where the expert for other things are also to be able to be gathered and so on. So create such kind of an ecosystems in an institute where when such research problems comes into picture, and they are bound to be there as you move, I think most of the electrical engineering people, or we have been trying to tap these opportunities as we have been talking to, I think some of the speakers from here are Damodar Valley Corporation, Tata Power, we are speaking to them and so on. So if we can support them from their R&D activities, from the development point of view, again it would be a very great contribution, and our own experience, examples point of view. So with this, I am sure again the FDP will not end with respect to only the closing ceremonies and so on. That could be a start of research activities and potential activities, so that it can be converted into a good research center here, as we have already, the department has been acquiring an MBA with a very good scores, this is the time to show to the NBA as well as AICTE that henceforth the faith that has been shown to us will be ensuring in the reflection of the research and industrial activities. Thank you and welcome.